People, welcome back to another video, and today I am gonna play Clumsy Cat. But before we start the video, make sure to subscribe if you enjoy my content. Let's play the game. Here I am. I feel that I will have fun. Why? Because the goal of the game is to destroy
everything.
So let's do this. Alright. I have to do as much damage as possible before the owner comes back. Easy. I need to be quick. Let's go upstairs. The stairs slow me down. Time to jump. Let's start again. This time, I will make it.
No.
Seriously. Made it. Ouch. Let's go downstairs. There is so much stuff to destroy. Oh, this is the basement. Destroy. 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 I don't think I can destroy the stuff here. Oh, there's a garage. I don't think the owner will be happy. I don't care, I am a cat. 15 seconds left. Come on. 10 seconds. I missed my jump. It's over. This is pretty good. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss anything. And the most important part, have a good day.